You're listening to the Rolling With Tay podcast, and I'm your host, Tasia, aka Tay. And you may say, what is this about? Well, Rolling With Tay is about cycling, inline skating, traveling. A good friend of mine came up with the title, and I ran with it, or should I say roll with it? I don't have any sound effects yet, so that was it. But the podcast would mainly be about those three activities. I will feature other activities, but I'll mainly talk to people who are doing one of those three, and I'll get some tips and tricks from them, what it does for them mentally, spiritually, and physically, why they got into it, where they are in their journey. We'll deep dive into, about cycling, inline skating, traveling, and like I said, other activities. A little bit about me. Again, Tasia, aka Tay. I'm in my 30s, born and raised in the Bronx, the best borough ever. Don't let anybody from Brooklyn or Queens or Manhattan tell you different. Or Staten Island, No, but I'm just joking. What else? I work in TV production, and I've been cycling since 2018, and I've been inline skating since I was a kid, but I stopped for a bit, and I recently bought some skates back in 2020 for my birthday. That was my birthday gift, and I've been traveling as an adult consistently since 2010. When I was younger, I took family vacations, and so that's the extent of my traveling and cycling and inline skating. So I hope you enjoy these episodes. I hope you get some inspiration. Like I said, learn some tips and tricks for all of the topics. And I will see you on episode 2. Peace.